Hey everybody, it's Tom here. It's great to have you back on my channel. Today we are going to be doing another Partner with Anthony program review. In particular, this is going to be a review on session number 15. And if you're looking, obviously, if you are looking for a Partner with Anthony review, you are in the right place. If you join the program, you will know, or even if you haven't joined the program, what you will learn very early on in the course is that this program teaches you basically the whole box and dice as far as internet marketing. Okay, so we've got the affiliate marketing, we've got email marketing, social media marketing that covers all the social media platforms. You're also going to learn copywriting and, well, I shouldn't say learn, you're going to discover the key principles on how to write good copy when it comes to putting copy on your opt-in page, when you build a list and you're sending out your emails. It's going to help you, with engagement because you've got good copy on there. It's not real spammy and, cheap and salesy, I guess. And that is such a skill that even now I'm still working on it, because there's so many things that you can tweak with copywriting. But look, before I come across this program, and I know how you're feeling. I really do understand your frustrations with trying to make money online in 2020, or any time for that matter. It can feel like a very lonely journey. Like I say, I really do feel the frustration, from you. This program, it honestly took away the frustration from within me. It had the Facebook group that is absolutely incredible. The people on there, the knowledge that they have is incredible. Even Anthony's, customer support team, that's 24/7. I'm in Australia, so it didn't matter what time I made a call from my end. I always got a return call within, I think the longest I waited was maybe an hour. And in the meantime, I became resourceful and tried to, find the solution to the problem that I was facing. So, when I did join, like I said, my frustration levels really dropped a hell of a lot. And if you are interested in joining, there is a link in the description. You can click on that link. It will take you to a free training video that Anthony has provided. It is Anthony's video, and he does answer quite a few of the questions that you probably got, floating around in your head right now. There's also a link in there for a free ebook download, completely free, that I kind of put together, that I thought would help, just with anybody that was thinking about doing online entrepreneur types of, work. It's kind of it's a quick read, and it kind of just gives you a bit of a step-by-step guide on the things that you will find that you are going to need. As far as mindset and that sort of thing, I'm not talking about, you need a network of 40 or 50 people or anything like that. So that's in there, and also the link to subscribe. I'd love it if you could subscribe, and if you do subscribe, then send me a comment saying I've subscribed, and I will definitely get back to you. That would be absolutely incredible. Okay, session number 15. This is another good session. I know I keep saying it, but they're all so cool. They're really, really cool sessions. He'll start off with teaching you and showing you how to expand your marketing. And, you know, I know we keep talking about building a list of emails and so on and so forth, but there are so many other ways to market online. You can market through blogs, you can market through all the social media platforms, Facebook and, you know, Instagram and Snapchat, TikTok, Pinterest, LinkedIn, all these other platforms. And there's Google ads, you know, as I said, blog, it's endless, the amount of marketing that, you know, you can do. Facebook Messenger is another one. There's text marketing. You've probably, you know, received a text from someone that, you know, you think, how the hell did they get my number? But yeah, so he's going to touch on how to expand, because now if you're in the program, session 15, we are halfway through the whole program. You have got by this session, you have got a up and running business that is pumping, that is firing, because you've done all the previous steps, you know, in the previous modules, in the previous sessions, and you've linked your ClickFunnels, you've linked your autoresponder, you've built your opt-in pages, you're starting to build your list through, whether that's through solo ads or whatever the case may be. You are up and running right now, which is absolutely fantastic. So it comes at a really good time, because you don't want to just keep driving down the same road, you know what I mean? So you want to expand, you want to have, you know, feelers out pretty much everywhere, but you also want to keep everything in check at the same time, so it doesn't get out of control. Also, a really big one in this session, Anthony gives you done for you Facebook ads. Done for you Facebook ads. Can you believe that? Now, he provides you basically the template, and you have to write a little bit of copy, you know, in the description, in the headline and stuff like that. It's very basic stuff that you need to do. And when I remember back when I was in session 15, and I remember when we got these done for you Facebook ads, I was so happy. I could not wait to learn how to put a Facebook ad in Facebook. And it's not super difficult, but you do need to make sure there are certain things that you do need to have in place to optimize the ad, so you're just not wasting money and time. So remember that. But you get the done for you Facebook ads, which you're going to absolutely love. You're also going to get your marketing plan explained, and he's going to give you, you know, an explanation on how you can expand, and he's going to explain ways that, you know, different avenues that you can travel down. Like I say, it's online now, it's endless. And I just want to say, guys, if you're not up to session 15 yet, and you're thinking about it's all becoming too hard, please don't stop, because, you know, without letting the cat out of the bag, this is halfway, and the next half, I can't reveal everything that's going to happen in these sessions. I just don't think that'd be fair. But there are so many surprises along the way that the who's who of online entrepreneurship are going to give you a little helping hand along the way. It's incredible, absolutely incredible, guys. And if you're not in the course or not in the program, and you're watching this and trying to get a bit of a feel for the program, this program is, I'm just going to say it, if I knew this program had this much in it, and it was $5,000, I would pay it. I would have paid it if I had have known that it had this much information and support and surprises and value. It is insanely good. And I didn't know that this was, you know, when I was going through this course and I realized that $7 a month, well, actually convert that to Australian, I think it's about $10 a month. I couldn't believe how someone of Anthony's stature and magnitude could make something like this for, you know, $7 a month US. Like, it's mind-blowing, guys. It's absolutely mind-blowing. So do yourself a favor. If you are on the fence, just get in, because look, if you get in and decide, you know what, I don't know if email marketing and affiliate marketing and Facebook advertising and YouTube advertising and Instagram and LinkedIn and TikTok and Twitter and Snapchat, if none of that is your gig, if you don't want to advertise and bring in revenue through any of these platforms, then I guess it's not for you. But this is the way of the future. There's only going to be more social media platforms, because if you think about it, you know, back in the day we used to just have the internet, maybe Yahoo, Google. Yeah, I mean, now look at it. It's just insane. It really, it's an internet marketer's dream. That's what I want to say. And if you want to get into something online and like this with a little bit of effort, only a little bit of effort, that's all. You don't have to sit at your computer for 5-6 hours here. A little bit of effort, this thing can grow and replace, I'm going to say it, it can replace your 9-to-5 job or whatever the hours you're working. Really, you know, just have a real good think about it, what you want to do, because don't go blowing your money on some other fly-by-night, pie-in-the-sky course. This course is the real deal. It's here to help you. It's here to help the average mum and dad, or, you know, brother, sister, grandmother, grandfather type of person. It really is here for you to benefit from, and you're leveraging off one of the best online entrepreneurs the world has ever seen. And with that, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, night, afternoon, whatever it is, wherever you are. And until next time, take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.